Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. So today's class we will see this unit 2, social issues, and A reading, Oliver asks for more. So the theme of the second unit is social issues. So we can find many problems in our society. So one of such is the child labor, or we can say the lack of care towards children and making children as orphans. So a word meaning of orphan is the one who is not cared by anyone. There is no parent or anybody else to take care of him or her. He is called an orphan. So here Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is a character in a story written by a famous writer, Charles Dickens. So Charles Dickens, he wrote a story in that the famous character is Oliver Twist. So Oliver asks for more. What did he ask? Something he asked, we will see what it is. So Oliver was an orphan. He was an orphan. He doesn't know who was his parents. There was no one to take care of him, so he was an orphan. So Oliver was brought into the children's home. So children's home is a place where the children who are orphans are taken care of. So they will be cared at the children's home by the people who manage the children's home. So Oliver also was brought there, and he was not happy in their children's home. The life of orphans in their children's home was not happy. Not only Oliver, any member of their children's home was not happy with their life, with the living standards they got, with the food they were served with. So they were totally disappointed. They were unhappy. So they were served some gruel. So gruel is, it is a rice or some other grain boiled, and it is served along with some water. It's called a gruel. So they served gruel or some other food items which they do not like much, and moreover the quantity of the food served was not sufficient for them. So the quality and the quantity of the food served to the children, they were not happy with that. So on a sudden morning, when the food was served, the character Oliver asked for more gruel to the cook or the chef who served the food. So the way he asked, it was not because he was so courageous, because he was not satisfied with the amount of food he got, so he asked. But remaining all children, they were remaining silent for many days or many months or many years. They were not courageous to raise their sound or to ask for more food. But here Oliver, he asked for more food. It was not because of he was courageous, but he was an innocent boy. So out of his innocent mind, he asked for more food. Since he was in need of more food, he asked for more food. There is a title given, Oliver asked for more. But that questioning or asking for more food reached to the higher authorities, the members of the governing body who were running that children's home. So they called Oliver just like a criminal, and they went for trial. To find out the fault and to give the punishment for Oliver. So Oliver was imprisoned. He was shut in a dark room, not in a prison, but he was shut alone in a dark room. And finally they says, anyone who need the help of Oliver as an apprentice, they can take him from the children's home and they can take him back. So this story, or the story of Oliver, it is an excellent example how many children are thrown out as destitutes. I mean, the one who without anyone to take care. That's why they are remaining as orphans. So nobody is born as an orphan, they are made as orphan. So due to various reasons, the mother or the father leave their child on the streets, on a public place, on a bus stand, on a railway station, because due to one or other reason they are unable to look after the baby. So they leave the child as an orphan, and those children, they have to suffer a lot in their life. There is no food, there is no shelter, there is no one to take care of them. So some of them may be taken to a right path, whereas many of them will be taken to the wrong way, and they won't become good citizen. So this is the one scenario or one problem we could find in a society. So this lesson, Oliver Asks for More, brings light into that topic. Why children are discarded, why they are not given care, why they are thrown out as the orphans. So this is one of the social issues we could find in a society. So the child, as you know, the right of a child is to get education. Then after getting good education, he or she can select their profession. Then they can go for a happy life. But the right to get education is deprived or removed by sending him or her as a orphan. So they have to roam, they have to beg for the food, they have to sleep on the roadsides or the railway stations or the bus stations, somewhere. No proper food for them, no one to take care of them, no one to love them. So they live with beggars, they mingle with underworld dons, and some of them may become next generation dons, and remaining may become a rickshaw puller or vegetable vendors, something like that. So this scenario or this problem is only because of the negligence of the parents. For their happiness, for their safety, they send their own children to the streets as orphans. So we have to raise our sound against it. So we have to raise our sound against all social issues. So here the writer Charles Dickens, through his story Oliver Twist, brings this idea to our mind, and the same story is given to you in your class 8 unit 2 social issues, first chapter, one of the social issues we face in our society. So I hope all of you understood the meaning of this lesson, and here we have few words: notion, an idea; devour, eat hungrily; desperate, having no hope, that is hopeless. When a person having a lot of hunger, and when he or she eats the food, so how they eat, it's called devour, hungrily. And notion means an idea. So these are the few words I gave you. The remaining words you can see in the glossary of a textbook or material. So once you read the lesson thoroughly, try to understand it. Further doubts you clarify with your concerned teacher. We will meet in next video with the next chapter. Till then, be safe. Thank you.